Tara guys, samahan niyo ako at magbubook ako ng ticket from Union Station to Midtown, New York. Punta tayo sa ating Flixbus apps. Ayan, automatic may nakalagay na dyan from Washington DC to New York. Research natin yan. Mayroon na 12:35 a.m. to 5:35 a.m. So, 5 hours ang biyahe. Bakit matagal? Try natin itong 6:40 a.m. guys to 11 a.m. Chinatown. Click natin. $27 lang siya. My God. Sa 28 agad. 99. Ang lakas ng ano niya. Taas ka agad. Pag click mo, taas na agad. So, from New York Midtown to Union Station. Yung pabalik na yan guys from New York. Maghahanap naman tayo ng ating location doon. 4:30. Tingnan natin yung 5. New York Hudson naman yan. May 6 o'clock guys. 6 o'clock. New York Midtown. 10:30 naman dito sa Union Station, darating yan. So, wala akong choice kundi ang New York Midtown guys. So, nasa 29 siya. 50 plus. Click natin to guys. Tingnan natin. Oh, ito na. Washington DC to New York, Chinatown ay Monday, October 20, 6:40 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Tapos, from New York Midtown to Washington DC from Monday, the same day, October 20, 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Okay na ito guys. Screenshot natin to guys para ipakita ko ito dun sa ticketing station. At para makapili na rin ng manggandang pwesto ng upuan. Thank you guys.